Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis. And on today's episode of Lords Mobile, I'm going to show you how to delete your account from the game. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So open up your Lords Mobile first, and once you're on your Lords Mobile game, the step over to is Settings. In order to access Settings, just tap on the arrow that is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here you can see the game settings, which is the gear icon. So go ahead and tap on it. Inside settings, just go to your account. Now this is your account settings, and you can see a small button with a key lock on it beside your Lords Mobile ID. Go ahead and tap on it, and you'll see an option to delete account. Now to delete the account, just tap on delete account. Now you'll be redirected to our deletion form page. Here you can see a notification by Lords Mobile that you will not be able to use this account after you delete it once. So just go ahead and tap on OK. Now you'll need to fill this form up to delete your Lords Mobile account. So just go ahead and fill it up, or you can just copy me if you have any confusion. Just tap on where it says select and choose confirm deletion of this account. Now below it, type in the date that you first logged into the account. Now below it, type in country and region from where you logged in your account for the first time. Similarly, below it, type in your country and region where you logged in your account frequently from. And below it, type in your IP, and below that just type in the reason for the deletion of your account. And below it, put in your screenshot of your account. After you've done that, put in your email address at the bottom of the page and just tap on submit. And the deletion of your account should be processed. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any confusion, feel free to leave your queries down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.